1 glide ratio.
You're going to be on YouTube. Hey, Jay, this is Jay's hangar. I'm here at the airport. You know who it is, the Banjoman. Look at all the toys he's got. Wow, and we could take the jet where? To Costa Rica? My buddy's got a hotel there.
Deal.
Nice. That's an R66. Larry's going to like that. I'll shoot him a picture of it. Oh my gosh. This is a seaplane. For how old is it? What year?
1946.
1946.
Yeah.
Wow.
Grumman.
Grumman. This is awesome. Yeah. Look at that. It's what is that, a Lear?
Citation.
Citation, okay.
Yeah. We have to weigh it. And to weigh it, you have to take all the fuel out.
A what?
Hit and miss. So it spins, it freewheels with the, and keeps the valve open, so it's just freewheeling, not a 4 Cadillac. That's 1930 and a 31 16-cylinder.
Oh,
so
gosh.
It was their first big engine that Cadillac.
You gotta hide them here.
That car.
And you've got all these little planes.
Yeah, we just moved out of another hangar.
And you surfed.
How do we have time for all that?
Right? And then, but there's the forklift for totes. Yeah. I just brought him some tanks to buy, and look at this wonder I get to see. Oh, what a, and that is an icon. Yeah. That is cool. Look at them. You keep these clean.
2-seater seaplane. Wings fold up, which is super cool because it takes up no space